Like Saint Joseph, we pray that in our lives we may have this grace of patience from Saint Joseph. In our life, in our daily effort to nourish our own families, to do our work wherever we are, but we pray that the value of the dignity of labor as we celebrate today, we may always uphold the dignity of labor, that we may be proud of what we are doing, that we may take value of it. Pahalagahan po natin ang mga ginagawa natin, no matter how big or small it is. Like Saint Joseph, he is showing us to give dignity to our labor. And finally, like Saint Joseph, that we may always have